Hello and welcome to today's IELTS listening practice. In this exercise, we'll focus on the form completion task, which is a common question type in the IELTS listening section. You'll listen to a recording and complete a form with the missing information. The form may contain a variety of details such as names, numbers, dates, locations, or other specific information. Here are key skills tested. 1. Attention to detail. You'll need to listen carefully to catch all the specific details. 2. Information transfer. You'll practice transferring spoken information into a written format, a crucial skill for the listening section. 3. Understanding context. Often the form will relate to a situation or event, so understanding the context will help you anticipate the type of information needed. Here are tips for success. 1. Pay attention to the words and numbers being said. 2. Listen for specific instructions that can guide you. 3. Be careful with spelling and grammar when writing your answers. 4. Ensure that your answers fit the spaces provided on the form. Now let's begin, and I hope you find this practice helpful. Listen to a conversation between a man and a woman, then write one word and/or a number for each answer.
Hello, this is Oriental Garden. Can I help you?
Oh, hello. I hope so. I called you last week about reserving a table, but I wasn't sure about the numbers. And I said, if you remember, that I'd get back to you about it this week.
Yes, that's right. You wanted to book a party for a group of students, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
I do remember, but I'm afraid I don't have your name to hand. Being so near to Christmas, we're rather busy.
Oh, that's all right. The name is Catherine Mackey.
Sorry, I can't seem to find it. I'll write it down again. Is it Catherine with a C or a K?
With a K, and Mackey is spelt M-A-C-K-E-Y.
That's fine.
Do you cater for large groups? I'm afraid there are more than I anticipated. About 30 of us.
Did you say 13 or 30?
30.
Well, that's quite a big number. The maximum we can seat at each table is 12, so there'll be 3 tables of 10. I hope that'll be all right. But there is a separate area at the back of the restaurant for functions, which you can hire out at no extra cost for groups of 20 and over. We generally hang up happy birthday balloons, but you're welcome to decorate it yourselves and even choose your own music. We find that it's quite popular with students, and you won't be disturbed by the other customers. Would you like to book those tables?
Oh, yes, that sounds great. Do we have to pay a deposit?
I'm afraid you do, and at least 5 days before the meal. Anyway, it's usually £12 per person for individual bookings, but it'll be £10 per head for your group because of its size, and the balance is paid when you've finished the meal. With large groups like yours, we do a set menu which includes one drink, alcoholic or non-alcoholic.
Listen to a conversation between a man and a woman, and complete the form below. Write no more than 3 words and/or a number for each answer.
Yes, what can I do for you?
My friend is in homestay, and she really enjoys it, so I'd like to join a family as well.
Okay, so let me get some details. What's your name?
My name is Keiko Yuchini.
Could you spell your family name for me?
It's Yuchini. That's Y-U-I-C-H-I-N-I.
And your first name?
It's Keiko. K-E-I-K-O.
That's Keiko Yuchini. Okay. And you're female. And your nationality?
I'm Japanese.
Right. And could I see your passport, please?
Here it is.
Okay. Your passport number is JO6337. And you're how old?
I'm 28 years old.
Now, you live at one of the colleges. Which one?
Willow College, room 21C.
Right, 21C Willow College. And how long are you planning on staying with Homestay?
About 4 months. Longer if I like it.
And what course are you enrolled in?
Well, I've enrolled for 20 weeks in the Advanced English Studies because I need help with my writing, and I'm nearly at the end of my first 5-week course.
Listen to a conversation between a man and a woman, then write one word and/or a number for each answer.
Good morning. Taxis for you. How can I help you?
Oh, good morning. I'd like to book a taxi to the airport, please.
Right. And which airport is that?
London Heathrow.
That's fine. And when do you need the taxi for?
My flight leaves from Terminal 5 at 7:20 on Wednesday, the 6th of July, next week.
Wednesday the 6th at 7:20 a.m. So you'll need the taxi at 3:30, okay? Can I have your name, please?
Sam Williams.
And your address?
60 Willowside Bank, Abingdon. That's Abingdon.
Thank you. And the postcode is?
OX14 3HB.
OX14 3HB. And can I have a contact number for you?
Yes, of course. My mobile is 07789 612 744.
Thank you. 07789 612 744. Now, we'll be picking you up at 3:30. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Hello? Motor Insurance Department?
Oh, hello. I'd like to ask about insurance for my car.
Yes, of course. I'll just take a few details. What's your name?
Patrick Jones.
And your address?
It's 27 Bank Road.
27 Bank Road. Is that in Greendale?
Yes.
And what's your daytime phone number?
My work number is 730453.
And could I ask what your occupation is?
Dentist.
OK. Now, a few details about your car. What size is the engine?
It's 1200 cc's.
Thank you. And the make and model?
It's a Houghton Sable.
Could you spell the model name, please?
Yes. Sable.
Oh, yes. Thanks. And when was it made?
1997.
Lovely. Right. I presume you've had a previous insurer?
Yes.
Right. We need to know the name of the company.
Yes, it was Northern Star.
Thank you. And have you made any insurance claims in the last 5 years?
Yes. One in 1999.
And what was the problem?
It was stolen. But...
That's fine, Mr. Jones. That's all we need to know at the moment.